Hello everyone! Maybe you're new to Snapchat and wondering how to use Snapchat lenses. Well, you're in the right place, for in this video, I will show you how. And before we get started, please hit that like button and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. First, let's talk about what are Snapchat lenses. Snapchat lenses, AR, experiences transforms the way you look and the world around you. Use lenses while you create snaps to add 3D effects, objects, characters, and transformations. But keep in mind that lenses are not the same thing as filters. Well, you may ask, what's the difference between the two? Snapchat lenses are playful AR experiences that transform the world around you. Filters are creative effects that you can add after taking a snap that help share where you are, what you're doing, and more. Now, let's learn how to use lenses and check out Lens Explorer for more fun. First, we have face lenses. Face lenses turn you and your friends something new, like puppies, flower crown royalty, or even babies. Now let me show you how to use face lenses. First, of course, click the app and make sure you're logged in. On the camera screen, tap on a face to launch the carousel. Next, swipe on the carousel and tap one of the lenses, and you have plenty of options to choose from. Once you're done choosing, tap or hold this button to capture the snap. And you have successfully used a face lens. You also have world lenses. World lenses lets you reimagine the world around you and bring characters to life. Make the Eiffel Tower puke rainbows or place your dancing Bitmoji on your desk. To use world lenses, go to your camera screen. Tap on a face to launch the carousel. Swipe on the carousel and tap one of the lenses. Again, you have many choices to choose from. And when you're ready, tap to take a picture or hold to record a video to create your snap. Now let me show you how to find new lenses on Snapchat. First, you have the Lens Explorer. Lens Explorer lets you unlock thousands of lenses built by Snapchatters, just like you. To open Lens Explorer, tap this button, or this one, when the carousel is active. You can add lenses to your carousel for 24 hours by tapping on a lens tile or swiping up on a featured snap in Community Lens Stories. Lens Explorer is also where you'll see all your lens subscriptions. Tap on a lens creator's display name and tap subscribe to stay up to date with their latest creations. Do you see a lens you love? Tap this button to favorite it, where you will find your favorites in Lens Explorer. And there you have it, how to use lenses on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can make cold emails easy? Run perfectly designed killer cold email campaigns that turn leads into buyers fast. Introducing Pursue App by Technic Force. Cold email automation done right. Pursue App makes it easy to run successful cold email campaigns for any business. Here's what you can get in Pursue App. Personalized cold email marketing engine, commercial license, lead verification system, custom-crafted customer journeys, multi-event triggers for email, deep analytics and reporting, warm leads identification, A/B testing, ready-made email themes for many niches, events and conversion tracking, integration with thousands of apps with Zapier, inbuilt API for custom integrations, multi-user support, support for Gmail, G Suite, Outlook, and SMTP, agency license, 1 year free update, 24/6 support, cold email training, and ready-made cold email campaigns. So try PursueApp now. Just go to getpursueapp.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.